Okay, so let's take a look at this first sample problem. So the first one asks you to calculate the difference in electronegativity for HCl and then to determine what type of bond we see HCl make. So this is hydrochloric acid. So this is going to be whether it's going to be polar covalent versus non-polar covalent versus ionic. So let's take a look at the electronegativity difference first. So I have chlorine is here on my periodic table. So it has an electronegativity of 3.0. And then I have hydrogen is here. It has an electronegativity of 2.1. So I'm going to find the difference there. 3.0 minus 2.1 equals 0.9. So that puts it in my range for polar covalent. Because remember, non-polar, we're going to see 0 to about 0.4. We're going to see like a 0.5 to 2 is going to be my polar covalent, and then anything greater than 2 is going to be ionic.